My dear brothers and sisters, I am truly honored to be here with you today on this special occasion, the successful turnover and induction of officers of the Alpha Phi Omega PSI Alumni Association. Over the years, PSI has become known for producing brothers and sisters who are not only competent, but also deeply committed to the ideals of Alpha Phi Omega. You are a chapter known for passion, but the kind that works quietly and consistently, that shows up early, stays late, and makes sure that the job is done right. That kind of passion is rare, and it's what sets you apart. I've seen it myself. In our countless service projects and activities, I always notice how active and involved PSI members are. You don't wait to be invited or begged to participate. You show up because you care. You give your time, your energy, your support, because service is not a requirement. It is a calling.
Brothers and sisters, welcome po sa ating pong selebrasyon ngayong gabi.
Dear brothers and sisters in Alpha Phi Omega, esteemed alumni and resident members of the PSI chapter, tonight is not only a celebration of leadership, but also a reaffirmation of our commitment to the principles of leadership, friendship, and service. To our outgoing officers, your contributions, sacrifices, and leadership have brought us to where we are today. We thank you for your unwavering dedication.
I do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully assume the responsibilities and discharge the duties of my office, always conscious of the trust and confidence conferred upon me by my brothers and sisters, and that as a true officer, I will do my best. I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. We are Alpha Phi Omega. We are here to stay. We are here to serve. And with your help, we will remain to be the best and most meaningful service fraternity in the world. Mabuhay po ang PSI chapter at mabuhay ang nag-iisang Alpha Phi Omega. Maraming salamat po.